Himawari review and packing video. Now, if you don't know about Himawari, they're a company on Amazon. Well, they're in Japan, I'm sorry. But you can find these bags on Amazon, and it's a knockoff of a bag called the Doughnut Macaroon. So there's different sizes. There's a tiny, small, medium, and large. And it's trending sort of like the Kanken bags right now that you can find at Barnes & Noble. So let's jump right in. Let me show you the bag. Here we go. Now, as you can see, it's Himawari, and they're found on Amazon. And the difference is these are faux leather, and the straps are faux leather on this bag. But on the Doughnut Macaroon, they are real leather. So I just want to get this packed up for you and show you how I have it packed. And I use it as a coffee shop bag, which I adore. And I also use it as a diaper bag. Let's get started with the inside of this bag. It does unzip pretty wide. And right here on the flap, so this is the front of the bag. So on the flap here, you have this zipper mesh pocket, which I keep my headphones and charger in. And then it also has a pocket right here, so you can store pins. I have my essential oils right there. Then it has a Velcro pocket. And in this Velcro pocket right now, I just have a pencil, and then some tissue. So that's in that Velcro pocket. It also has another zip pocket. And in here, I have a little word search and a little med kit, clippers, and dry erase marker, pencil. There's another pencil, sorry, the lid fell off. And a note to my son. But this pocket is pretty deep. It goes to right here. So I can fit my hand right there. So I'm gonna flip it up this way, right here. And you can see the inside of the bag. So here's that front flap. And the inside here, it has a pocket right here. And another one over here. And then it has a padded pocket back here for your MacBook or Chromebook or iPad. In which cases I put my iPad in there. And in this back pocket, I just keep a word find. I keep this little book, Who's Who. My 8-year-old's reading that. And another little med kit. This is in the Target gum pack. I just take all the, we'll use all the gum. Then I use the pack to make a little med kit. And I have a water bottle. And I've been putting this on the outside of the bag because the bag does have 2 outside pockets when I'm with the toddlers. And it does fit in this side pocket here. But it also fits in this inside pocket here. So if I'm taking just my water bottle, I'll usually just pack it inside. Now it does make this pocket stretch out a bit, and it doesn't give as much. So if you're going to put the bottle inside or outside, you won't have much space to use these pockets. I can fit a medium jujube set piece in the pocket comfortably. scoot back so you guys can see. So a medium jujube, small set piece. Yeah, restaurant kit. And I'll put this in this other side pocket. I'm trying to get it to where you guys can see. So I have my planner kit, in which in any case, I could always just take it out if I don't have my iPad in the back here. So I have this usually in it quick just to keep it protected. And it's an A5 planner. So I can put it right back here in this pocket. Right in this back pocket here. And then I also have my Mufia pen case, Toki Doki. Has all my, set that here. Okay, so this is how I have it packed up so far. Everything's in the back. Now, if I'm going out, I would probably need either a diaper change, which I've showed you guys, this medium set piece. It has 3 size 4 diapers and a small white pouch. And I can put this right here. Right there. And then I have an extra change of clothes for my toddler, who has potty trained now, but sometimes when we're at the park has some accidents. So I can also fit this. I can also put that in the very bottom and create some more space. Look at that. So I moved the diapering down to the bottom, which you can always put the clothes down at the bottom because you're probably not going to reach for those as often. And then my Mufia pen case. And I'll show you how that is right there. So the things at the bottom, and I can probably also fit my restaurant kit that I have. Now, for you guys who haven't watched the previous videos, this is a large set piece. I have a med kit made by Diana, but I use it to store little puzzle pieces. And then I also have a small set piece, Kaiju City, and I keep my Tegu blocks in there. This keeps my toddlers and 8-year-old entertained the entire restaurant trip. I do have some alphabet numbers. I got these from the dollar spot at Target. And then some crayons that we've picked up somewhere, which my kids really don't color all that often. The blocks keep them very busy, and just some coloring sheets in there. So all of that I have in my large set piece, and this is just our grab dinner kit or lunch kit, whatever. So I can put this in here. Alright guys, now I have it packed up for a toddler's day out. And I did forget to mention that on the side pocket over here, I have my hand sanitizer, and I also put my iPhone. It's one of the bigger ones, so it goes right over here on the side and it fits nicely in there. And on this side, I just have our water bottle, and my water bottle fits in there as well. The swell bottles fit. In this front pocket, I forgot to show you guys before, but this is a functional front mommy pocket. And here I have my Kate Spade wallet. I have a snack, a brush, because my boy's hair is always crazy, some Purell wipes, and a Jujube coin purse. And in here I have my chapstick and some Stress Away lotion. And all of that fits in this front pocket here. Oh, I also have a pin down there. Look at that. So, there we go. What y'all see in there. So it is a very big pocket, and you might think that these would unbuckle, which was, I was kind of turned off when I first purchased this bag. It's like, oh, I'm not gonna have time to unbuckle that, but it just snaps. And it's right back together again. So let's unbuckle this top part. Now here, I've kind of joined some kits. So back here I have my Mufia pen case. I have my change of clothes for a toddler. And I have down here at the very, very bottom, right there at the very, very, very bottom, I just have two small jujube set pieces. One is the restaurant kit, and the other is my vitamins and plackers. And that's all that I have right there. And in this pocket back here, I have a jujube quick. Pull this out for you guys. And in here, I just have my planner. And in this back zipper pocket, I have my card case that keeps all my extra cards and our insurance cards. And that is in the back of this quick pocket. And for here, on the front of the bag, I changed it up a little bit, but not much. So I still have all my wires and charger here, my oils here, but this time, in this pouch pocket, I added my Tegu blocks, and I still have my Kleenexes. So that's the only thing that I added right here in this Velcro part. And then in the zipper part here, I added these blocks as well. So I basically just took out my restaurant kit and just put the pouches right in here, which is very easy. Then I still have our word find for those of you who want to do a word find. And then I have a pin at the bottom of here so that we could do the word find. So this is still packed up for a toddler. Now I can show you how to pack it mommy way. Packed up for mommy. My goal is to go to this little coffee shop here in Fort Worth, and I plan on taking this bag because it's adorable. And so this is going to be my coffee shop slash tea bag for the next few weeks. All right, let's jump right in. So in this front pocket, not much has changed. In fact, nothing's changed. I have my coin purse with my chapstick and lotion. I have my brush, because let's face it, mommy needs the brush too. My Kate Spade wallet, snack, and pen, and wipes. So I do carry the wipes with me even if my kiddos are not with me, because you just never know. And then on this side pocket over here, I don't have anything because I do have my cup in this side pocket inside the bag. So I don't have anything in this pocket because it does protrude out. In this side pocket, I have my stevia and some hand sanitizer. Okay, pop this baby open. Here I have my quick, and if I can show you guys how far down it goes, so it does go down pretty far. And in here I stuck my pen case and my planner all together, and then in this zipper pocket back here I do have my insurance cards and things like that, so that's something I usually always have with me. Now on this back part here I have my 9.7 inch iPad Pro. So 9.7 inch, and then back here I also have my Apple Pencil. And it's really secure, like this has a lot of padding. On the side here I don't have anything. Oh no, I do. I forgot I put my small set piece there with my plackers and vitamins. And then on this side I have my tea, and we don't have anything else there. So here, this kind of fell out when I was showing you guys that, but same spot. I still have my essential oils right here in this front pocket. So essential oils, wires and charging kit, headphones, and in here what I've added is I've put my kit there, tissue still, and then I also have a small white pouch for my needs. pencil. And this back pocket, or the zipper pocket I should say, not back pocket. I still have the little word find because I like doing the word finds too if I'm sitting somewhere. I try not to stay on my phone a whole lot. And then I have my med kit. I believe that's it. Yeah, that's all I have back there. So a few things changed, but not much. Now overall, I'm really happy with this bag. It was $30 on Amazon, I believe. I will link it in the description below, but it is a Himawari, and it is the knockoff for the donut macaroon. You guys, I said 5'6" in my last video. I am 5'5.5". So I'll show you how this sits with me. So 5'5.5". It's just so adorable. Now the straps here, I can show you. They come up, the straps are really easy to adjust. So if you just want to hold it right here, you can also snap it up here. So you can put the straps in pretty close to the bag. Grab this side here, pull it up, and snap the top. And this way, like I said, the strap's really close to the bag, and you can just use it as a carry bag. I really like this feature. But this does create a really great backpack option. And it is padded, so it is very comfortable with all that I pack. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this video, and I would really appreciate, sorry my sweater, I would really appreciate a thumbs up, and if you'd like me to pack this any other way, or if you have any questions about this, please just leave me a comment and I'll try to get to it. I know some of you ladies are reading. Your goal is to read a certain amount of books this year. So I will show you one of my bigger books that I've been reading and how it fits. Let me grab it, sorry. Close up to my face, sorry. So my husband and I have been reading the Saga series, and it fits in there as well. So you can hold quite a bit of stuff in here and still be really comfortable. And this is the smaller size one. It's not the tiny, and it's not the small. I guess this one's the medium, I'm sorry. This one's the medium, because I got it for my 8-year-old to go to New York, and it was a perfect plane bag. It fit everything perfectly on his plane ride as a carry-on. So, like I said, if you guys would like to see it packed up any other way, or you'd like to leave a comment, let me know how I did or what I can work on. I'm all up for constructive criticism. So, you guys, the Himawari bag, and have a great day.